From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday, State College. A little cloudy out there this morning, but those cloudy conditions will decrease a little bit as we head into the afternoon before increasing again tonight ahead of our next storm system, which will bring us a mix of wintry precipitation, starting out as snow before transitioning over to sleet and then eventually rain tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. So this morning we're sitting at a temperature of about 19 degrees. It is a little chilly out there, and it feels like 7 degrees though, and that's because that wind is about 12 miles an hour. Pretty windy to start this morning, but that will decrease as the day progresses, so those feels like temperatures should meet closer to the temperature as the day progresses on. Otherwise, though, satellite radar might just have a few little streaks of snow showers, but I don't think these are really reaching the ground. You can see that it's mostly cloudy across the western tier of the state, but as you get towards the east, if the sun is back out, no, not really any clouds to be seen on the satellite picture. If we zoom out across the region, we can see why. It's because we have this area of high pressure centered just off to our west, and that's keeping the precipitation away and the clouds mostly away, though they will start to increase as that high moves out and that next storm system moves in. So temperatures, it feels like across the region, 19 in State College, feels like 7 degrees. Look at that, Johnstown though, it's only 14 degrees and it feels like 3 degrees, so only 3 degrees above zero. Du Bois, it feels like 0. It's pretty chilly in Du Bois. Bradford, it's a little warmer, about 2 degrees is what it feels like above 0 this morning. So it is pretty chilly this morning. And that's because of this wind speed, 12 miles an hour in State College and in Williamsport, 20 miles an hour for the parade down there in Philadelphia, 15-mile-an-hour winds in Scranton. And the wind gusts, though, about the same in State College, a little higher in Scranton, and 19 wind gusts of 19 in Philadelphia as well. So it is a little breezy, but not too gusty out there this morning. So it's just more of a nuisance and making it feel a lot colder. And it certainly is a lot colder than where we were this time yesterday. About 14 degrees colder in State College, 19 degrees colder in Pittsburgh, 21 degrees colder in Du Bois. So it is pretty cold. And temperatures will warm up a bit today, though they still will be about 5 to 10 degrees below average for most across the Commonwealth, with highs only in the mid to upper 20s today in State College. Then as we move throughout the day into the night tonight, cloud cover will increase ahead of our next storm system. You can see that snow making its way into the region by about 1:30, so late tomorrow morning and into early tomorrow afternoon is when we'll see that snow moving to State College. Then it will eventually transition over to some sleet and then eventually freeze and rain by about very early Sunday morning before it finally moves out by about Sunday afternoon, before we'll see some more back-end rain for a few hours Sunday evening and maybe a few snow showers if it does get cold enough. But otherwise, though, most of the precipitation is out by Sunday evening. Then as we move on throughout the week, there's our storm system moving in this weekend that I just talked about. Otherwise, though, mostly cloudy conditions, maybe a few snow squalls or a few streaks of snow showers on Monday. But otherwise, no precipitation is expected until we get to about Thursday when we're watching a chance for yet another winter storm system. So for tonight, we're forecasting a low of 22 degrees with increasing cloud cover, calm winds, so not too much of a wind chill tonight. Tomorrow, we're forecasting a high of 33 degrees, so a few degrees below average with that wintry mix, starting off as snow, then eventually transitioning over to rain. A little windy, breezy out there, but not too bad like we are this morning. And then the cold is expected to stay as well with a 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, having most of the eastern 2/3 of the lower 48 below average. And you can see that reflected here on that 7-day forecast. Temperatures starting on Monday will be about 26 degrees, which is about 10 degrees below average. The average high is 36 degrees this time of year in State College. And temperatures will continue to be below average as that next cold blast settles over the region, really over the eastern 2/3 of the country throughout the next week, with watching that next storm system possibly on Thursday.